Hi guys, welcome back to another hair video. So today's wig is from Afsisterwig, and today I'm working with their full lace wig, so which means there's literally lace all around the wig. As you guys can see, the lace goes all the way around, and this is what the construction of the wig looks like. So with this full lace wig, it basically just means that you can do any hairstyles. There's no wefts in this wig, and the wig also comes with their Skin Melt Swiss lace. As you guys can see, the lace looks really good against my skin tone, so I'm actually really excited to install this wig. So this is a 22-inch wig and it's 150 density. Honestly, the hairline looks amazing. So this wig actually came pre-plucked. As you can see, this hairline just looks great. I don't need to do anything to this. So it came pre-plucked and it came pre-bleached as well. So this is literally ready for me to install. There's also some baby hairs at the back of the wig to make the wig look more natural depending on what hairstyle that you decide to go for. So yeah. Okay, so here's what the wig looks like, guys. This wig is so cute. Like, I love this full lace wig. Like, it's amazing. The wig came pre-plucked, but I did go into pluck around the hairline just a bit more. I felt like the hairline the wig came with wasn't realistic. I just had to take out just a few strands of hair at the front basically, but anyway, this is fine. So now we're gonna go ahead and install the wig, and I'm also gonna install the wig in sections. So I'm gonna start from the middle and then make my way around. When it comes to Afsister, I feel like one thing they have on point all the time is their hairline and the lace as well. Like, guys, look at how seamless this looks. So now I'm gonna cut around and then make my way to the back. So basically, when you get to the side, you want to cut the lace around your ears as usual. So you're still gonna cut the lace like you're cutting a normal lace frontal wig, and then you just make your way around. Obviously the back might be a bit difficult just because you can't see what you're doing, but I'm gonna try and show you guys how to do this. So I'm gonna cut around my ears just to make sure that, you know, the lace fits and it goes around my ears like so. So now and then when you get to this section, you want to cut coming down because you don't want to cut the elastic band. This is where the elastic band starts. So you can see now it sits around my ears. so I'm done installing the wig. I'm not really going to bother gluing down the back, and I'm just going to use the baby hairs that came with the wig to kind of like, you know, just hide the lace at the back as well. So I'm going to go ahead and use my melt band. Tell me this is not cute. This is so cute. Oh my god, I've never had my hair like this, like in 2 ponytails. This is so cute. I feel like a kid, but yeah, this is just me showing you that you can literally style this wig anyhow you like. You can part the hair anywhere. So like I said, this is a full lace wig, which means it's literally lace all around the wig. There's no wefts. Like, you can put the hair up, you can put it down, you can do anything. I'm going to turn around now so you guys can see what the back is like. Don't have high expectations because I couldn't see what I was doing at the back, okay? So but this is just to show you that you can literally part the hair wherever you like. But this is what this is looking like at the moment, and I just think this is so cute, okay? Because I've never had my hair like this. So this is what the back looks like. Also, when it comes to the hair itself, the hair quality is so, like, this, guys, this hair feels really silky and so smooth and really soft as well. No shedding, no tangling. So this is a 22-inch wig and it's 150 density, so this is more like a natural, you know. Yeah, this is giving. I really like this hairstyle. I think it's so cute. I feel like I need to do more hairstyles like this, but I'm just not that creative when it comes to hairstyles. As long as my hair looks laid and everything looks put together, I'm good. But anyway, yeah, so I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar below. So please make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.